Giggles and grapes.
Hi kids, let's learn about winters through alphabets. Let's go!
L for logs. Logs are used especially in a fireplace in winters. M for mittens. Mittens keep our hand warm. Do you have a pair of them too? N for nuts. Nuts are one of the most preferred snack in winters. O for orange. Orange is rich in vitamin C, and you should eat citrus fruits in winters. P for penguin. Penguins are the flightless birds who can survive in the cold. Q for quilt. They provide warmth while also being easy to wash and maintain. R for reindeer. Reindeer is an animal that can survive in extreme cold weather. S for snowman. Where there is snow, making a snowman is mandatory. T for tea. A cup of hot tea is soothing in winters. U for umbrella. Umbrella can give cover in rain as well as snow. V for vest. Insulated vests can take the place of light to mid-weight jackets in many situations without sacrificing warmth. W for winter. Winter is cold and we get to have winter vacations too. X for X-ray. Keep yourself warm and protected from the cold. If cold gets bad, you might need an X-ray. Y for yarn. Yarn is used for knitting, sweaters, and caps. Many adults are good at making shoes and mittens too. Z for zest. Zest is extracted from the outer skin of the citrus fruits. It is used to make different recipes.
This video is sponsored by the chocolate chip cookies.
Subscribe, like, and don't forget to press the bell icon.